Every man has his price. This phrase is an idiom, and you can learn it better by listening to it first and then practicing with the following example sentences.
And every man has his price.
Every man has his price.
It's true that every man has his price.
And every man has his price.
Every man has his price.
It's true that every man has his price.
1. Present tense. He claims he's honest, but I think every man has his price. If they offer him enough money, he'll change his mind. 2. Future tense. Don't be so sure he'll stay loyal. Every man will have his price, and one day he might give in to temptation. 3. Past tense. He was a man of principles, but in the end, every man had his price, and he betrayed his friends for money. 4. Hypothetical situation. If you offer him enough, he'll do it. After all, every man has his price. 5. Cynical statement. I don't trust anyone completely. Every man has his price, and loyalty can be bought.